Hello guys, so this is my first video in this channel. Today we will be working on an apple catcher game in Scratch. So the way this works is every time you catch a colorful apple, your score will be changed by 5. Every time you catch a red color apple, your score will be changed by 1. So whenever you get your score to 50 or 55, you win on the game. So let's get started. First, I'm going to delete this cat sprite, and I'm going to go and choose a backdrop named the blue sky. Click on the stage option and go to backdrops and delete this backdrop one and duplicate this blue sky and name the blue sky to named windscreen. In the windscreen, what we're gonna do is we're gonna text it something named you win. Click on the cursor button and increase the size of the you win text and snap it in the upper up. So let's choose a sprite. So we need something to catch. So I'm going to choose apple. If not, you can choose ball or basketball or anything with a round shape. So I'm going to choose apple, and I'm going to decrease its size to 70 here. And I'm going to choose another sprite, bowl. So we need something to catch the apples with. So I'm going to choose bowl, and I'm going to decrease the size of it to 110 and bring it to down in this brown color stripe. So let's create a start button. So click on the circles button and take it to blue color and create a circle here. Click on the cursor button and increase its size and select the text button and fill it with the text named start. So if you want, you can decrease the size of it. So go to text and you can see this one. So select it, change the serif to serif, increase the size of a bit, and you can change the outline of this blue color circle. So I'm going to change it to the mixed color, just like this. So I'm gonna put it to like another color, like not this, sorry, really. So not this, I'm gonna put this color to blue, and I'm gonna choose its outline to this color, what I said before. So I'm gonna make it to some color, sort of color like this, and this side I'm gonna do it to pink color. So you can't see it right now because the size of it it's 1. So just increase of it to 10. Sorry, just select it and increase it to 10. Now you can see the outline. So click on the code and name this start button, and click on the start button and go to events and drag when green flag clicked. Go to looks and click on the show button and switch backdrop to not to windscreen, the blue sky. We don't need this wind to be here all the time. So switch it to blue sky. And when this sprite is clicked, that means when start button is clicked, we need it to be hidden. Go to the events and broadcast the message. New message. Start. So when this sprite is clicked, it will broadcast a message start. So you can see that it's disappearing. Then click on the bowl. We need this bowl to be moving to catch the apples. So drag when green flag clicked. So when the green flag is clicked, we need it to be hidden. When green flag clicked, hide. Go to variables and delete the my variable and make a variable named score. Oops. So go to events, select when I receive start. We need it to be shown and go to control, grab forever and two if then blocks, go to sensing, grab two key space pressed blocks, left arrow and right arrow pressed. Then we needed to change the X. So change X by 15, and for the left arrow we need to change X by -15. So you can see when I'm pressing these two keys, you can see now it's moving. So now click on the apple sprite, and when green flag is clicked, we need it to be hidden. So when green flag clicked, hide. So go to events and take when I receive start, go to looks and select show, go to motion and select go to random position and select set Y to 180. So when I receive start, we need it to be coming down. So we don't need it to be all the way up. So we need it to come down. So go to control, grab forever, go to motion and select change Y by -7. So now you can see the Y is changing. But when it comes to down, we need it to go all the way back up. So we don't need it to be staying all the way down. So to go back up, we're gonna need to go to motion, select go to random position. So go to control and select if then block. Inside that, snap the go to random position block and select set Y to 180. So in the if then block, go to operators, select this equal block and snap it right here. So if in here we need to put something, go to motion and scroll it until you find the Y position block. Drag it and snap it right in here. So you can see I put it in here. So I put this one right in here. So let's put it here, and if it equals -170, then it needs to go back up. So let's see. So it works, but we can't catch it. We need it to be catching. So let's catch it. Grab another if then block and go to sensing and select touching, bowl, Then we needed to go back up. So go to random position, set Y to 180. So good. So now you can see we can catch it. So but the score is not changing. So let's change the score. Go to variables and select change score by 1. And then you can see that we have completed our code of this. But there's another little thing to do. We'll go to when green flag clicked and set score to 0. Snap it under this hide block. So when this green flag is clicked, we need the score to be 0. So now when the score is 50 or 55, we need the backdrop to be changed to you win. So go to controls and select if, and go to operators and select this equal block equals 50. Don't change this 50. Just go to variables and select score and snap it in here. Then go to looks, switch backdrop to windscreen, go to control and scroll it until you find the stop all block. Then you can duplicate this and snap it right here and change it to 51. You can duplicate 2 of this and snap it bottom of it. You can snap it at the bottom and you can change here to 52 and 53 to 3. Duplicate it and snap it right here and name it 54 and 55. So snap it under this if touching bow and make sure it's in this forever block. So let's make another apple named it's colorful. So take it here and don't forget to do it in the duplicated apple. So go to the apple 2 and change this Y by not -7 but -8. If Y position, don't keep it like this. Change it to -180. So if it is to -170, so it misses to come in 170 because it's changing its Y by 8. So it misses one number. So it's 180, it's good. So we don't have to change the score by only 1. Get it to change the score by 5. Click on the apple 2 and click on the costumes and click the fill button, and let's make our apple a bit colorful. We can do this right here and we can name this and we can put this here and we can fill this one right here. So if you don't want to fill this, you can only fill this one. So I'm gonna fill this outline too like this. So if you want, you can fill this one and this one too. So I'm not gonna fill it. So now we have our apple catcher game finished. So you can see it's done. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'll meet you again in another video.